Okay, a Continental 2-door worktop. It's just an under counter. I believe the model and serial's on the right side on these. Should be like UC49 under counter, 49 inch wide. This is how they do it. Should be an old R134A, yeah. There we go. Probably, I think it's original unit. Again, 2006. These Continentals are tanks. These things are beasts, but this one's got a busted door hinge that is wasted. So. Door hinge on these. They are not easy like the Trues. This one, door hinge is not cool either. Yeah, but the hinges look like Trues. They look like true packs. So let's see what this is all about. It's also missing the brass piece that goes up in the top. Busted off. Yeah, that door. Somebody must have ran it over by a truck or something. I don't know what the heck. How the heck do you get that? Where does that go? Huh. Alright, well, let's check it out. Take this door off and see what's what. This top pieces. Those two. Let's tighten this down. What's going on? Okay, this is the bottom of the door. I'll tell you, man, this little trick of keeping a wire wheel on the end of a drill. I always keep this thing loaded just like that all the time, and it makes nice clean work of, you gotta take off hinges and stuff, and for cleaning copper and cleaning the bottom of a door or something like that, where you just buff everything up real nice. You can imagine how nasty that stuff was. And this one I'm going to hit and see how it turns out. Okay, got the old hinge out. Man, I'll tell you, I like these Milwaukees, man. That impact really helped with, I think, with the screws on this one, because they get stuck. One thing nice, at least the hinge is pulled right out, not like a True, they're all stuck in there. Let's see if we can Bufflemeister this. The Buffatronic. Baby. Man, I love that wire wheel thing. I can't believe it took me 40, what, I've been doing this since 81, and this is 2021. I don't even know how long that is. I guess it's 40 years exactly, right? 90, 2000, I guess, yeah. Okay. Man, I've been doing it hard all these years. Hi, doing Continental door hinges suck. They suck bad. Trues are a cakewalk compared to loading these things. You gotta have something to level the door up and. Oh man. At least it works though. But what a son of a bunchkin. A pain in the biscuit. Okay, now to do the left door again, the door hinge. This one doesn't close all the way, so I wonder, is it just, to replace the hinge. What a pain in the ass they are, though, I'll tell you. Anybody got any tricks for doing Continental door hinges? Wow. Okay. Sorry guys, the video kind of fell apart at the end. Doing the hinge was kind of a bisque bear. So, all right, click like on the video if you could and subscribe. All right, take care. Bye.